How to change language on Valora Wallet app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on your Valora Wallet app. In order to change the language, first of all, open your Valora application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your wallet account. Now once you are logged in, you will land on this homepage. Here in this interface, you will need to locate the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you find this gear or the settings icon, simply tap on it and then you will be taken to this page. In this page, look for the preferences option and then tap on it. Once you open it, inside it you will be able to locate the language option. Now simply tap on it and now from the list of this available language, find the language that you would like to select. And once you find the language that you would like to set, simply tap on the circle at the left side and then the language will be selected. Soon after selecting the language, you will see the changes has taken effect. Now the app interface will be changed in the selected language. So this is how you can change language on Valora Wallet app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.